In this video we had an afternoon to burn, so we packed up the dogs, jumped in the Jeep, and headed to Manti-La Sal National Forest. I hope I said that right. Manti-La Sal National Forest. We entered right on the other side of Ferron, Utah. Now, I like a lot of these videos. You know, the camera just doesn't do these places justice, because it was really nice. And so we're going to show you a little drive through that we had an afternoon that we drove through there and was checking things out. Take a look. Hope you like it. Well, that's it for this video. One thing to note was for tent campers and smaller rigs, there was a lot of areas you could camp there. Bigger rigs, we did see a fifth wheel, but I don't know how he got in there. But smaller rigs and tent campers, a lot of places, nice places to camp. So if you get a chance, get out there. Take advantage of it. See you next time.